Hi everyone! Hello! Kumusta po? Kumusta po mga kababayan? Nasaan man kayo? Ako po si Hazel. Nandito ako sa Ontario, Canada sa isang cottage nagre-relax habang yung online business ko ay nagtatrabaho sa background. Opo, ganito po yung ginagawa ko. It's a side hustle ko lang po siya, pero mas maraming benefits na, nakukuha ko sa online business kaysa sa aking regular job. So, mahirap po. Mahirap kasi ang buhay dito sa Canada as a single parent of two. I had to look for an extra income. And ito po ang nahanapan ko through a friend sa Facebook. Nakita ko siya and then I started 3 months ago and it's been helping me a lot and so much more. And ang dami pong mga business owners who has successfully transformed their lives. Marami pong nag-retire, early retirement, nag-quit po sila ng mga trabaho nila kasi mas malaki yung nakikita nila sa online business. Ang kagandahan po nito, nasa worldwide po siya. So anybody in the world can do it and you can start anywhere, anytime, work anytime you can. Wala po siyang pressure, walang stress. We provide all the tools and training na kailangan nyo, and it's so easy to set up, and we'll guide you all throughout. And we offer free webinars if you want to learn more about it. I-check out nyo po sa aking website at www.hazelways.com. Salamat po. Ingat.